Tingaktingiana indo mwancho murigereri ubwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo Gusii cyaragirire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona magoroba ekerongwege na nogendrete kwego kekeyima asoko bwate miroberi yonse getaseni ekega kya Ndizi TV nekinga kingo kwariganya SMS Amayia irongo manyebuna nara yaya na kwariganire asenchera ereyo bwenge ekerotoro cyabuna Everlyne nigo bagendrete wikirana ase Chinsemo ao eryo gosanga naba 90 torero nabara ikorwase obumo bwazimyo moja one Kenya abakora wana Raila Amolo Odinga ritkulia rero nigo barenge imeye county ya Siaya wase omukonyi bo murai wenseriga digashawa aburi tanganya bawe kiranaso musangerekano bw'amasabo imeye county ya Narok na sechinga kechigani gagendrete no musangerekano bw'amasabo imeye county ya Nyandarua na sensemo ya yomu waziri boborendi wa ime Kithure Kindiki nigo nera ikiranaso musangerekano bw'amasabo ase kanisa ya MCK Kidirune eyo gotoka ime ye constituency ya Imenti ime ye county ya Meru nechinga kiboigo Kithure agendrete kubwatoka egekure getindi ochiase baria bakwebwatani na mangana yobosagani naboigo obosaria bwechingenjo ao anene oboibi bwetubona gatana nigo bagendrete kubeke meroberio emeikiranu eserikali wetrase wizara chons choborendi aikoene kiabuna obosario bwegana bwego bosagani bwabeire bweka omwerio asichinsemo ao ime yense ya Kenya kokwariganya SMS Amayia mwancho murigereria karongo kwenyoria sensemo ya Facebook nigora tanyarwetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tanyarwetra Ndizi TV News naso mutandao Twitter na bogo twetera @Ndizi TV News eriyo tagendere gusanga nabayigo kwemanya manke Chamane roko ene kiachi chanerio gicha wikeira centre ya bene na nchiri teriane Everlyne Osero sanga na intwego ika omwerio tuko ya chaka a centre ya bene awasomo konyi bomurai wenseriga digashawa amona baraibande korwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza ritukuria rero baba wekirana somo sangerekano bw'amasabo yo bwamo asegeti yeskuru yoboroso ya Olmotonyi yogotoka ensemo ya Loligorian ebunge ya Kilgoris imeye county ya Narok okwana somo sangerekano yo gashawa nigo ahegerera igetamukiro yeserikali cyo gutuma abo bisabo burendi erweye mugo cya sense ya iti eryo konya asokoreta omurembe ko bwatkana n'ikisegi echo kigendrete koenekiwa ase Chinsemecho gashawa nigateba nabo bisabo burendi kurwa sense ya Kenya nigo barokanire gotwara obumanyi uboisaine koirera koganiwa go cya koenekyo murembe ase Chinsechesko nigateba negatamukire cyo ngechego konya mono ane nabo bisabo aso kwemanya amange asogo sanga nabo bisa korwase Chinse chinde na kwene kyabuna eserikali nigo bagocha kobwatia egetamkro kerichiko ero kwene kyabuna omurobero yo obeire kogoikirana asensemo yayo muraibwa barabange asebunge kimani chungwa nigo nere aine kyabuna omuswada bwengane yo oyora begogoikiwa asebunge nigo rachie korigereriwa ase oboikirana kegima anene kobwatia amaganyo naboigo ebirengererio byabananchi.
Polisi wetu wa Kenya wametambuliwa ya kwamba ni officers who are professional ambaye wanaweza kuaminika kuenda kusaidia wenzao katika dunia. Na hii Haiti kama hamjui watu wanakaa kama mimi ama nyinyi. Sote ni watu weusi. Sasa tukisikia watu wetu wanaumia, si labda walitoka hapa siku ya slave trade, si tuende tuwasaidie. Na askari wetu are professional, and that is why the United Nations Security Council has identified the National Police Service of Kenya as ideal force to go and assist in keeping peace. Juu ya hayo tuko na experience sana ya kuweka amani katika duniani.
When we get the request for approval, as you approved in cabinet this week, for approval and consent from the National Assembly and Parliament for deployment of our police officers to the country of Haiti, we shall consider all matters that shall come before Parliament and be able to take into account all the concerns that the people of Kenya have raised, because in Parliament we represent the people and we address their concerns.
Tukwana somo sangerekano yobaigoni go mugavana we county ya Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu abaga ko enekiabu na emeroberio ya magendro nigo egendrete na kwanya bamenyi korwa se county ya Narok koba abatoereru ase amagendro ya ataraikiraniwa ase Chinsa mecho na monoko bagania kubwaterana ne serikali na baraibons korwa se county yo aso ko enekiabu na e county ya Narok yabereke guskabusio.
Hii county tumeshikilia vizuri. Tumeshikilia vizuri kabisa na kazi ile ambayo tumeanzisha ya County Integrated Development Plan. Hapa county, sub-county hii ama Gilgoris constituency, nimewapa milioni 600 kila ward, wamepata shilingi milioni 100 ya kwenda kuketi na kupanga mpango yao kwa kila ward. Na nashukuru kwa sababu hizo projects hizi, most of the projects are 70 to 80 to 90% are complete. Na ndiposa nataka tu nichukue nafasi hii niambie wananchi mfumulie kidogo, bado zingine hasikuwa zimekamilishwa lakini tutakamilisha. So kama tunaongojea national government waje wape pamoja na sisi, lazima sisi kama county government tuendelee tushikilie serikali yetu kuu ili tuone ya kwamba tumepeleka gurudumu hii ya maendeleo mbele. Na I can assure your excellency, watu hawa wanajua mimi karibu kila weekend at least niko na hawa kusikiza zile mashida zao.
Omurai wekiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga niga mwakire koko murai wekiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka asogoteba bunani gabwa tomoyo muya anene asogotenera nere jinga kichionsi niga murarire Kalonzo koba omonto mwegenwa obwate chimbwa chingia naboigo obwanchani asabanto na otana goika babe bagotenena amonere na kubwatrana asemeroberionsi anene asebiminano byage siasa asa matukarbosyo na niga ya kwana ase omuyega bwo gochengera emyaka 53 na wakambuya asomo seneta bwe county ya Siaya Oburu Odinga umuroberi okoreka omuyega okorekana asensemo ya Bondo imeye county ya Siaya.
Niko na ndugu yangu rafiki yetu, yeye ndio Oburu amealika yeye siku ya leo kama mgeni maalum. Huyu jamaa tumetembea naye pamoja, tulikuwa naye pamoja kutoka wakati ile ya KANU, alikuwa KANU huko, tukaenda naye tukaunda chama pamoja na yeye, inaitwa LDP, tukaingia pamoja kwa NARC, tukaenda naye pamoja kwa ODM, tumesimama naye pamoja mara mbili, tumesimama naye pamoja, tukipigana na tujashindwa. Kila mara kwa mara tumekuwa tunanyang'anywa tu. Amesimama na mizizi kidete. Hata mara hii ya mwisho hakuchaguliwa kama mgombea mwenza na yangu, lakini alibaki na sisi. Jamaa ana moyo, jamaa ana ukakamavu, jamaa ni mtu ambaye unaweza kumwamini. Yeye ni mtu mwaminifu, yeye tena ni mtu Mkristo, yeye ni mtu ana tabia ya ungingwana, ana upendo kabisa. Sisi tutasimama kidete na ndugu Kalonzo Musyoka.
Na sensemo ya yomurayo iwe kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nigo arokana komoche serikali anenase ogo tabeka bosio gosemutwe amagima ya Bakenya nene chingaki serikali roberetie gotoma abo busabo burendi gochase NCIT achingaki chisegi chigendrete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo aime ense ya Kenya anene asensemo ya sondu nigateba buna ekatiba ense ya Kenya nigegendrete gosiereriwa asagi keirie egekore gotagorwa wechinyomba asensemo ya Mavoko imeye county ya Machakos na boigo okuogererwa kumuraibe kya makia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga chinga kekiranete asomo yegabwo gochengera egekoro imeye county ya Turkana.
Na wao badala ya kwanza waajibike. Sasa Kenya inasema to reward kila police squad wanapelekwa Haiti. Umesikia hiyo maneno? Is it a reward kwamba umeoa watu yao? As we speak, watu wanapigwa mishale Sondu. Kwa nini kwanza sort out shida ya Sondu na kwingineko? Insecurity. So we want to put everybody on notice kwamba nchi hii inatawaliwa na katiba ya 2010. Sasa hivi tunaona vile katiba inafanywa kuhujumiwa. Jana na juzi na jana, watu wa Machakos County kwa mfano wameamka, wamebomolewa manyumba yao, watoto wajui wataenda wapi, watalala wapi, mtihani unaanza, hawajui wataenda wapi. 3 primary schools brought down. 5 churches brought down. Hebu fikiria yale yalifanyika Turkana, na tunajua waliipanga. Wanamuinvite baba in writing, come to Turkana culture or something. Na gavana wa kule ni wa ODM. Yeye anakubali kutumika.
Gukwana chinga kecho nigo mugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo aruro kuborego cha somurai wese Dr. William Samoei Ruto gotaita goseberekania ebyama byage siasa. Orengo nigo amwakera amotoyana kumwakera mbuya umurai we kama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga asogotenena oboikiranu kwegerera obosibore bwebyama na otabuna nigo bale amonere chinga kichonsi nigo boigate babuna nigo bagocha kwenekya chingwane chigendere asensemo ya bomas gati ya serikali na bigensemi kwa miriria serikali nigo chirarete amatunda anene yo kworoberia abakenyo buyima.
I told President let me just call him Mr. Ruto. I told Mr. Ruto when he was here, don't kill multi-party. Don't kill multi-party. Namuona kama Azimio nzima iko hapa. In 1963 onwards, the KANU government was involved in a process of buying members of parliament. Ilipofika 1969, we had no parties to talk about. So baba, tunakushukuru kwa mstari wa mbele kuona ya kwamba political parties remain agents for fighting for the rights of the people of the great Republic of Kenya. The people's president, the whole of Kenya is behind you. And as we are
Togotikana nayo nigo komiti etenerete amangana yechsemi ase bunge yabiriga kumochia ekiombe kyabari mu ya Teacher Service Commission ase ogokanya okunganywa kwa borukya abo bagokora emirimo ase chinsemo cha North Eastern kogwatikana no mochando bwokuborwa kwa Burundi okwana imeye bunge ya Tindereti imeye county ya Nandi omunyakerogo bwe komiti yo Julius Meli nigaganirie engane yo korigereri waboyo boya namaganyo yaboroki wabo gotegererwa asaterebuna ondetayo oranyare gokora emeremo chingaki obuyima bwaye bogendrete kogosererwa.
Don't teach when your life is under threat. You cannot do a lesson plan. You cannot sit and attend a child when there is somebody threatening your life. You can't work. You can't even be an administrator in school because every other time you sit and work, somebody is after your life. I want to ask the commissioners who interdicted the teachers, let them try and have 1 or 2 weeks of working as teachers, because most of our commissioners are teachers, are former teachers. I want them to go to Mandera for 2 or 3 weeks, stay in the same stations, live in police cells, and also work under different.
Neserekari nigere maiso asomoroberio bwokoronge ya amagacho ase chiskuru echichire ase chinsemo chiri achitari kwenekia embura gosesemi arid lands erioko konya ase ogokeya omubaro bwaborokiwa abubagotiga chiskuru kobwatikana nemechando au korengana na Norman Komora uyoromo commissioner we county ya Garis ya Marsabit nigane kyabuna eserekari negendrete kubeka emiruberio emekiranu yogo ikirania yaganiriye ase chiskuru eriko nekyabuna abana ngo ikirana bare ase chiskuru nabago ko bachinga kinyororo cyo kugendereria amasomabo.
I improve the quality of education, the learner participation in education, and and improve the aspects that make quality education, aspects of access, such that we get our children into school. The aspect of retention. These children are kept in school throughout the cycle that they are supposed to be in that school, and they are assisted to get quality education so that they will be enabled to transition into another level of education.
We started constructions in March, and reaching 60% now is not badly off. Actually, managing a contractor you have never seen, there is a big challenge here. The contractors were awarded work and we have never met. How I wish we can even meet in a forum. The county directors or even the schools within the project and the contractor, because we have never seen him. We are even looking for his number from other people.
Mwanchi umurigeri wananara na kwariganire tia semese Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwinge korende na mange togendrete go kwariganiria ayora chikonyora asenchera yobwikiranu gekoraga enseyemo na boigo Chinsa isato chamugoroba abunara retwa sore nere Josfata Misi gendra utonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube utonyora wetra Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bogo Twitter @Ndizi TV News elio togendrego sanga na boigo kwema Nyamanke niongu kwaneria oborigereri borobuya ekeronte tuo kwenyoria buna omorobere w'emisa Jumapili gogochirore asegeka getariye getambe korubono buno koretwa sore nere Joseph Mokogoti ase agendrete kwariganike gima nabageni baye beritkoria rero nigabwata abageni korwa sekanisa yege Catholic ya Mugumo yego toka ase parish ya Suneka yono mwanchi omorigereri tobasa guskare tigatwensitose niwe imeyo morobere w'emisa Jumapili orione kiachibi chaneli gichawe kera centre ya bene nigakorokwa Abigail Nyanchama eretariane Everlyne Osero twaro burigereri borobia na boigo emagoroba erentoireru.